If you need to upload your resume from Google Drive and share it with a recruiter, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's simple, fast, and a great way to keep your resume organized in the cloud so you can access it anytime. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Google account so you can access your Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top left and click on New. This is where you can upload new files from your computer. After clicking New, a menu will appear. From that menu, click File Upload. A file picker window will open on your screen, allowing you to browse your computer files. Now find your resume file, click on it, and then click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading your resume. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, go to My Drive and locate your resume in the file list. If you uploaded it recently, it should appear near the top. Click on the resume file to select it. Then, at the top of the page, click the Share icon. This opens the sharing settings for your resume. Next, click Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Before sending it out, make sure the sharing settings allow the recruiter to view the file. In many cases, the link will automatically be set to anyone with the link can view, but it's always a good idea to double check. Once that's done, click Done to close the sharing window. Now your resume is uploaded to Google Drive and ready to be shared. You can paste that link into an email, job application, or message to the recruiter. This method is especially useful because you can update the file later and keep the same link handy. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.